Hi, I'm Dusty Gibbs with Gibbs Garden Center, and in this video we're going to show you exactly how we make the mixed hanging basket that you see here in front of you. Alright, I've got a 16-inch cocoa moss Ostrom hanging basket. I've already got my Bacto potting soil in it. We're going to put 1 ounce of this Fertilome premium bedding plant food in it, and we're going to incorporate that into the soil. So we're going to mix that in. We don't want to just leave it on the surface. And you want the dirt level to be about 1 inch below the top of this basket when you're done. So it's always a good idea to have you some type of container or basket sitting around. So if you've got too much dirt in it, you can take some out, or if you need some, you can add to it. Now we're going to be using 7 plants for this mixed basket here. We're going to be using 1 of the really red Super Tunia, 1 yellow Super Bell, or 2 yellow Super Bells, excuse me, and we're going to put those straight across from each other. The petunia is the only petunia in this pot. The rest of it are Super Bells, so that 1 petunia goes right in the center. And like I said, 2 yellow Super Bells straight across from one another. We're going to use 2 pink Super Bells. We'll put them straight across from each other. And we're going to use 2 of the Dreamsicle Super Bells, and we're going to have them straight across from one another. And get all your tags together and set them to the side. You'll need them here in just a little bit. All right, as you plant these plants, you're going to want the surface of your soil to be at about that 1 inch mark below the surface of this basket. So if you need to add some dirt or whatnot, that's fine. Like I said, we're going to put the really red Super Tunia right in the middle. Got the 2 pink Super Bells. We're going to put them directly across from one another. Like I said, just get the top of these plants you're putting in about 1 inch below that surface. If they're sticking out of the dirt, that's fine. We can always add some more dirt later. All right, we got the 2 yellow Super Bells. We're going to put them right across, straight across from one another. Got one out of place here. I grabbed the Dreamsicle instead of a pink. But you want to keep everything directly across from each other in that pot. That way you get the uniformity that we've got there, and with those plants mixed throughout that entire container. We're going to add a little bit of dirt. We took a little bit too much out. All right, now in addition to the Fertilome fertilizer, the granular fertilizer that we put in, we're also going to use some Osmocote. Now this is, if you're not familiar with it, it's a pelleted prill. It's heat activated. You're gonna want you to put your 3 tablespoons. And if you read on the container, it's gonna tell you it lasts 3 to 4 months. Now that's at 80 degrees, and our summers don't stay 80 degrees much. So you're gonna, our experience with this is it'll last about 2 months. So you're gonna wanna reapply the Osmocote every 2 months. In addition to the bed and plant food and the Osmocote, to achieve the results that you see here, you're also going to want to use a water-soluble fertilizer every 7 to 10 days. Now, if you skimp on this fertilizer, you're not going to get the results that you see here, so go heavy on the fertilizer. Pretty much all we got left to do now is to put our hanger on and water it in. And don't forget to put your tags in there. That way you can keep up with what you liked about that mixed container or what you didn't like, and you'll have a reference point to go back to. That's pretty much all there is to it. We truly do appreciate you tuning in, and if we can ever help you with anything, please let us know. You can keep track of us on our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, keep an eye on our YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and you can also check us out on our website at gibbsgardencenter.com.